hon. Thank you for the airplane. It's so
Sure,
beautiful.
sure.
I can't believe it that you buy it for me.
Yafa, I'll buy everything for you.
Really?
Yes, and here we are above the Pacific Ocean and above the Haiti Islands. And we are, you're very nice. You're very nice. Yes.
You are a wonderful girl!
You're wonderful.
Thank you.
My mom
is
seems
so nice.
I want to tell you
Thank
something
you.
about my mom. She really adores you. She
Really?
thinks you are a beautiful woman in the world. Yes. You're wonderful. You're wonderful. Yes.
Hon,
Yes.
have you just spoke your mother Arabic or just me?
Oh, no. I think that you heard maybe the radio. I
Oh.
think the radio is not
Wonderful,
really
wonderful,
fixed.
Radio!
So change the channel.
Radio,
Sure,
radio,
I will. I will.
What she said?
She said you look just like Priscilla Presley.
Really?
You have the figures. Like Priscilla.
Oh my
Like
God!
Priscilla Presley.
Thank you.
And your glasses are so sexy that she
Yeah, I know.
can't be adored by my point.
What she
You're
said?
saying I don't want to marry.
What is
No,
What she said? It's someone
She
Arabic.
said no. She said she liked Rahat Lakum.
Oh yeah.
And we're going to eat Rahat Lakum, of course, and think about Priscilla and Elvis Presley,
Oh
and
my
we are
God.
like a celebrity couple.
Oh, I like Priscilla Presley.
You're a wonderful girl!
Come.
Yeah.
I wanna fuck your son. How?
What is fuck?
Mama.
You just spoke your mother Arabic. I heard you. You just spoke Arabic to your mother.
No, it's not a plain
Don't
Arabic.
mess with me. You
Listen,
just spoke Arabic.
It's not a plain
Fuck
Arabic.
it.
You know,
Oh my God. I'm married.
It's not Mabsout! Not Mabsout!
Mama, take the wheel.
Come on,
Take the wheel.
Married
Take the wheel.
fucking
Yes,
terrorist. Help me. Someone help me. Oh my God. God help
relax.
me.
You need
God.
to relax. You need to relax. Come, breathe slowly. Just relax and think a bit. My name is Samuel, alright?
You said your name is Shmuel.
No.
You said it is Shmuel. Ismail is like Arabic. Oh.
No. My rabbi told me when I
Don't touch
converted.
me.
Listen,
Don't
listen.
touch me.
But listen, when I converted to Judaism.
You are wonderful, Charlena!
She said I'm Charlena.
No.
Listen to me. I go to Taglit to marry an Israeli soldier, a Jewish soldier, and now I married a terrorist.
I'm not a terrorist, honey. I'm not a terrorist. My rabbi told me that I am Jewish in my soul, in my spirit, in my divine spirit is Jewish.
Give me this, you fucking bitches! I'm gonna kill you! I'm gonna kill you, you fucking whore! What you doing with this necklace? Hon, how do you say litrasec in English?
I think... Mama, you're a Muhammad.